Hello, friends!
Let's learn the letter O while playing a fun game!
Wow! Are you ready?
Kids, the first race is running!
Go! Yay!
Wow! It's an obstacle shaped like the letter O! Wow, that's fun! Roll the round ball that looks like the letter O. The balloon looks like the letter O! Wow! I love round balloons!
Wow! There are so many things that look like the letter O!
Look at this!
The metal looks like the letter O too!
Let's learn more of the letter O together! Great! That's a good idea! Let's begin!
What letter is this? That's right! It's the letter O! It looks just like a circle, doesn't it? Let's write it together. O! Great job! What do you see? It's the cute letter O. Let's listen to what sound it makes. Ah, O. Octopus. Owl.
Wow, that's great! Amazing!
1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 puzzle pieces. Shall we color them? What color do you like? Red. Color it with your favorite color. Green. Blue. Pink. Now, let's put the colored puzzle pieces together.
B is for boat, let's sail to land. C is for cave, dark and deep. D is for dragon, no time to sleep. We are the ABC Explorers. Wow! Grand adventure, hunting. Side by side, from A to Z, let's take the ride.
Look! The puzzle pieces made the shape of the letter O. Let's write the letter.
Flying high, F is for forest, trees touch the sky. G is for gold, what a surprise.
Oh,
H is for
wonderful job.
Wow, that's fun!
We have a strawberry, a watermelon, a banana, an orange, and grapes. Let's find the ones that are round, just like the letter O.
I is for island in the sea.
You got it!
Jungle, wild and free.
The watermelon is round, and the orange is round too. The round watermelon and orange look just like the letter O.
Side by side, from A to Z, let's take the ride. M is for
The round letter O.
N is for night.
Wow, that's amazing! How was the letter O? It's really easy because we're learning while having fun, isn't it? Let's meet again next time!